Welcome back. Continuing the news. Residents of Caymanas Bay, St. Catherine are now facing a long road to recovery. This is after torrential rains and flooding battered sections of the community. Saturday's downpour left a trail of destruction in Caymanas Bay and surrounding communities in St. Catherine. A number of homes were inundated by the flood waters, leaving many persons to pick up the pieces.
The rain started fall extremely hard and the gully came down, and then the waters come over this way and compact the veranda like that. And you can see the yard, right around. If I go right around here, it's all looking that way. I have to get away some of these things that the water could run freely.
A number of houses had water sweeping through because the volume of water was insurmountable this time around. And so when I look at the videos, because the residents would have been sending them to me from their homes and climbing up and, stuff to send me what is happening in their homes. And because of that damage, persons have reported to me that they have their floors, their carpets, their beds. Some persons' beds got wet. Just overall flooding, just overall messy. And poultry farmers too had to be securing their poultry.
This is not the first time the community has faced such a disaster. Road construction in the area has been cited as a contributing factor to the flooding.
Each time it washes out, the road surface goes lower and lower. All the pole them where the light post them and so is concerned. But I don't know them not fall neither. You understand? So I don't know what the government them consider for doing it, I'm a plan for live here. I can't live in a place where water and road surface not there. You understand? It get real bad.
Lauriston Division Councillor Keisha Lewis has been lobbying for urgent repairs to the flood-damaged roadway in Caymanas Bay. That aside, other help is needed.
I always appeal to the entities to just take a look, come and visit with the residents, speak to them, find out what it is that they can help. And those entities include NIS and other state agencies that deal with this.
Meanwhile, Member of Parliament for St. Catherine Eastern, Denise Daly, says she will be visiting the area on Monday to assess the damage.
My head is hurting me as a Member of Parliament because I really don't even know what to start doing and where to turn. But I'm hoping that they will recognize how serious this thing is and to give it immediate attention.